Las Rocas is a complex of 4 houses in the northern part of Valle de Bravo, known as La Peña, an elevated terrain with rocky outcrops and endemic vegetation. The 68,889 square foot site was treated as an extension of the adjacent natural reserve, and the project aims to respect and regenerate this environment. A detailed and precise site analysis was essential to determine where to position each house to minimize the impact on the existing watercourses, rocks, and vegetation. The corridor is a linear axis that serves as horizontal and vertical circulation, with dimensions, measurements, and levels, all depending on the location of each volume within the program. These circulation routes adapt the architecture to the terrain, rather than the other way around. The 4 houses use the same modules and components, but have unique layouts depending on their specific characteristics. The volumes are freely arranged in 6 directions: front, back, above, below, left, right, in response to their particular situations. This simple and dynamic system integrates the architecture into its natural context. These volumes do not touch each other. Their separation creates voids, views, natural light, and ventilation, adequately integrating them with the terrain. In Las Rocas, a bathroom can be a stone, a tree part of the roof, and the terrain itself a walkway or set of steps. Nature defines the design. The living and dining rooms have a corner window created by a 16.4 by 32.8 foot cantilever, opening the space and directly joining the interior to the exterior. This design avoids the duplication of areas, a common issue in rural retreats in Valle de Bravo, ensuring that these rooms are fully utilized and become central elements of each house. Thought Kitchen is located in the same space as the dining and living rooms, and in some cases, it can be integrated into these spaces with a sliding partition. Residents must leave their vehicles in the complex's central service area, which contains parking, storage rooms, as well as key installations such as cisterns, machine rooms, and treatment plants. To reach the houses, they walk along paths, steps, and small plazas, freeing them from the urban environment. The terraces were the last piece of the puzzle. They were mapped out on the site to adapt their dimensions to the possibilities of the context and allow the landscape to become part of the project, blurring the boundary between construction and the surroundings. The light gray stucco finish for Las Rocas matches the predominant tone of the surrounding rocks. Only two other materials complement the project: textured stone flooring and glass, which is always flush with the exterior facades, matching the smooth texture of the walls in contrast to the surroundings, reflecting and blending the house with the context. This color scheme allows for discrete and simple architecture. The composition of solid volumes creates a sense of lightness, while vegetation and nature remain the main elements. The houses stand out for their simplicity, creating a quiet, built space that brings the context to the forefront. Ana Paula de Alba's custom interior designs for each house respond to the specific needs of the families, giving each space a unique character. Each home has its own essence, the result of the synergy between the resident, architecture, and context. The contrast between the enclosed volumes and the openness of the corridors is designed to stimulate different sensations when inhabiting these spaces. The enclosed sleeping area contrasts with the open circulation routes, which directly connect to the local vegetation and rocky landscape. Besides linking the different areas, the corridor captures southern light and local heat to regulate the house's temperature, thanks to the shadows cast by the outcrops and the north-facing orientation of the residences.